Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my completed mandala that I purchased from Aliexpress for around $5 or $7. I do not really recollect, but I did the video unboxing and I mentioned the price over there. And I will also leave the link to the seller in the description box below in case if you like this mandala. I'm not really a fan of mandalas, but I really liked how it looked. Besides, I figured that mandalas actually make a really very nice gift because it can be personalized according to the colors, to the wishes that the person has, etc. So this mandala is partial. It contains 18 colors. The majority of the colors, the majority of the drills were actually special shaped. Around maybe 8 colors were crystals. The rest are special ones. I did not really do any changes except of one. Instead of regular transparent or silver drills, I used these ones, crystals from diamond dots, and I actually like how it turned out. Unfortunately, the camera does not show uh, all the sparkle. In reality, it glows way better than what you see on the screen, and I really like the final result. This mandala is very summery, is very bright, as if there is the sun in the middle of mandala, or this yellow circle representing the sun, and its rays cause the flowers to bloom. So there was a variety of colors: pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and in the end it looks really very warm, like a summer day. It reminds me of summer. I'm not sure why. Maybe because of the colors. So the link to this mandala will be in the description box below, to the seller. I mean, if you like it, that's how it looks. And you're free to buy it. As soon as I purchase the frame, I will record a video review. But that's how it looks. Again, unfortunately, you do not see the whole vibrant sparkle. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.